Hello, Ivan speaking. Today I want to show you, to present you the version 3 of Turbo Plus strategy, which is one of the first strategies. The first version started in about 3 years ago, and we have two versions until now, and this is the third one, and the best one, of course. It is updated and it's even more safe, more accurate than previous one, and I put some new settings which will eliminate a possible losing trade. So let's talk about it. The rules. Now we have three things. Triple confirmation here we have to take a trade, and of course I forgot to say in the beginning, it was designed in the beginning to be used for binary, but today it's also very effective, very good for forex trading too. It can be used on all time frames and with all assets. So this is gold on 50 minutes time frame, and let's talk about the rules. Let's see this one. We have white arrow. This is alert signal, which is not signal for trade, for taking the trade. This is just a warning that a possible trade is very close, and you, in that moment, you will prepare yourself for taking a trade. So this is pre-alert, which only alerts you to be ready for taking the trade. After that, you need two things. You need red arrow, Turbo Plus, pink arrow, and this line must turn also from green to blue in the color of the candles, bearish candles. So when you have both of these, you can take here to trade, or here whenever it shows, but I think it's somewhere here. And then for forex, you will take trade and keep it until the appearance of this white arrow, which will tell you that the possible change of the trend will come very soon. So you can exit here, and here you will have, as you can see, 900 pips only with this trade. Then you will get another one, warning signal, real signal alert, pink, and here you will take trade, and still you can keep it, and you see that still it is in the money. For binary, you will take 60 minutes trade, 1 hour expiry trade minimum, up to 2 hours. So it means 4 to 8 candles. It is up to you. Both is okay, but between 1 and 2 hour expiry here on 50 minutes. So here, if you take trade, this is 1 hour and this is 2 hours. Also, we can see this one, all confirmed. We get pre-alert, we are preparing. If we get pink, yes, and we have this HAM, this line, HMA is not repainted. So this is not repainted. It will not repaint. Also, the pink arrows are not repainted. So in this moment also you can take here 8 candles or 2 hours trade or 4 hours here. You will be in the money, or for forex you can take here until here. the winning trades. So this is how it works. So we have not repainted two indicators, this line which will confirm your trade, and this pink. This white arrow is not, let's say, not repainted. It will non-stop be here, but sometimes when the trade is not ready, it can be maybe a few white in a row, but it doesn't concern you because you will not take trade with any of these whites. You must wait for the pink. And this is the rules. You see, it can be used on any time frames and on any assets. This is gold, this is FTSE, FTCE, also indices you can use it, on stocks, on currency pairs, everywhere. So as you can see here, also very good. For also 5 minutes time frame, the latest trade here, you can see it. We would take it from here, and you see we would make 26 pips. On smaller time frames, of course, it is scalping. For best results, for more pips, you will use higher time frames, like 1 hour daily or so. For smaller time frames, maybe for binary is better. Of course, you can use for Forex, but only for scalping. So here we have one signal. Very good that we have it in 5 minutes, but you see, it wasn't confirmed because this one wasn't blue, and now it becomes blue, and the candle is blue. So here we can take the trade here. Now it is confirmed. So if you have pink arrow and this is green going up still, it is not confirmed. So here we have some trades on 5 minutes. 5 minutes is very good for binary. You can take 30 minutes expiry. So here 6 candles expiry in the money, or for Forex 10 pips or something. Or here you see all confirmed, white alert, then candle for trade, pink one. This is blue, the line is blue, and here we can take also for binary 6 candles, or here 11 pips for Forex. Or here we could take here the trades, 30 minutes expiry in the money, or for Forex 30 pips. So very easy to use, very simple. The best results you can make on higher time frames, especially daily. If you do not have much time to watch your computer, this is very good, because only one time a day you will watch computer and see if you get signal. This is the signal always came at the end, or sorry, at the beginning of the New York session. So one example, let's say here all confirmed. From here we would make 844 pips, or from here we'll make almost 400 pips. And here we had also a signal, and now we'll exit here with 192 pips. So another one with one hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you see here we do not have pink arrow still, so we would not take this. We have white pre-alert to prepare us, and this is becoming blue, but we need pink arrow. So this is not confirmed, but this one here would be somewhere here, and until here we'll have 56 pips in the money. Or this one also, from here until here 30 pips, or here, you see. And there is another daily chart, GBP Canadian. I prefer to use daily chart or maybe 4-hour charts for Forex, of course. You see these 2 or 3 perfect setups. This is the perfect setups. You see pre-alert, this line become green. We have the signal, and here we would take it until here, and we'll make 1,500 pips. Isn't it fantastic? But after one day, we'll get another signal here, and until white arrow, we have another 1,200 pips. And we have another one, 400 pips. And we have the last one, which is finished just now, because we have white arrow, 780. So here about 4,000 pips we make only with one currency pair. 4,000 pips, of course, it is from the January, starting with January until next trade will be in March, May, June. But imagine that you have opened 10 or 15 or 20 charts, and in that case you will have most probably at least 5, 6 or 10 such trades with other currency pairs. So the results are very fantastic. It's not to be believed how many pips you can make if you trade with daily charts, open 15, 20 charts, and almost every week you will have opened one of these on some chart. So the results are really great. And it's very simple to be used, as you have seen. You have 3 things to be confirmed, and what is the best, you always will be a candle or 2 candles earlier. Before you will be warned, alerted, you see, that you have a possible trade to become. If this is a daily chart, of course, you will wait a day or 2 to the pink, and then you will see if you have a confirmation. But if it is a 5-minute time frame, you will have again 5 minutes or 10 minutes to get the confirmation. So this is in the short way how it works. I hope you understand all. This is version 3, Turbo Plus, one of my first success, and my, let's say, one of 3 best sellers, especially when it appeared for the first time about 3 years ago. So I decided after version 2, which was made 2 years ago, to make the 3rd version, the better version, safer version for Forex 2, with another confirmation here with this line, not repainted line, not repainted arrow, and with some changed setup with appearing the signals. So this is, I hope, fantastic tool for every trader, especially now for Forex trader, because the Forex is now more popular and safer recently, but still it can be used, as I said. You see, if this is 1 or 5 minutes time frame, you can use it for binary too. It's not a problem. Both for binary, both for Forex, all time frames, all assets you can use. Gold, indices, stock, and of course currency pairs. So guys, if you will need some information, please contact me only on my email below, binarytools777@gmail.com. And at the end, good news for all those which have bought Turbo Plus version 1 or version 2, this version 3 will be free. It will be for free, of course. As always, when you buy the first original version, all updates are free for life for my customers. So please, if you have all version, just contact me and you will get this version for free. Maximum in 24 hours you will get it. So guys, I hope you are satisfied with this short video with the latest, the best version of Turbo Plus version 3. Bye bye.